Justin Bieber. We're talking about 16-year-old Austin Mahone. Got his start by posting his amateur music performances on YouTube. His cover performances have gotten a combined 72 million hits. That's a lot of views, Austin. That's so cool to be with you. It's like the envy of lots of teenage girls right now.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Do you like that term, the next Justin Bieber? Does that bother you?
I mean, I don't mind it. I mean, I don't think it's a bad thing. But it's not a good thing either. That's fun.
It's got to be a good thing.
No, it's flattering.
Okay.
Yeah.
Posting on YouTube, do you think that's like the way to go now for people to become music stars?
I definitely think it's one way to go because it's so easy now on social networking sites to just, be discovered and be seen. So, I mean, yeah, definitely.
Okay. Well, we're going to let you take it away and perform for us. Thank you, Austin Mahone.
Thank you. Thank you very much. She'll let this thing go here, is that cool? Cool.
I see you walk by, extra fly, baby. Where you going? Can I run? Whoa, living beach life, feeling right. You're the hottest, everybody knows. Whoa, burn it up, show what you got. Yeah, you got it, baby, let it show. Turn it up, let me know what's up. Don't you stay there, girl, I gotta know. Say something, if you're feeling the vibe, say something. Baby, don't be so shy, say something. 'Cause you're all in my head like, oh, yeah. Say something, 'cause you're driving me crazy, say something. 'Cause you're driving me wild, say something. The way you're working it, baby, it's yeah. And when we talk, girl, fireworks, something like the 4th of July. Whoa, you're super hot fire.
Closed captioning for WGN News is sponsored by